Hey guys, Charlie the plumber again. A while back I created a video for soldering. It was just a 1/2 inch piece of pipe, so I'd like to show you a couple of joints that I've done or I'm getting ready to do here as far as soldering goes. I have prepped the pipe and the fittings. Basically you have to sand the inside of the fittings. I have this T here and the 90 up here. The tape measure that I've got here is just to keep everything straight going across. So you got to be you have to be gentle when you solder it. But basically it's just a little rig that I set up over the years. Things that, I like to make things straight, make it look nice. So we'll show you how to solder these two joints, and I'll wipe them for you so you can see a nice clean joint, hopefully. Alrighty, hang tight. If you like it, get a chance, you can share that video, subscribe to my channel, and then also fire me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. I go by sound. This tank is a map gas tank. You can use the green tank or you can use a blue tank. Doesn't matter. I have the hook for my solder. So we'll start with the feet on the bottom. I like to get all three joints heated and just kind of let that solder run down a little bit. I got a piece of damp paper towel. And then I'll start from the top. Just a little bit around there. When you get that hook, you can always run your solder on the back side. Now you can see this fitting starting to turn a little bit black. Obviously I've got a little bit too much heat on there. And the wiping is just to get the big hunks off of there, the boogers as I call them. And I'll chase my flux down the pipe to get it out of the way. Solder flowed around that side. Here a flow around this side, so that's pretty much all we need. And the wiping is just to make your joint look nice. So again, if you like it, if you like the channel, subscribe, give me a comment, see what you think, and I'll go from there. See you next time. Thanks.